In this video, we'll learn how we can create a map chart in Excel. It works with state, country, region, not only in US but around the world. And so here is an example of different state with some values. And you can see that it created a map. And if you hover over different state, you can even see these values. The same thing also works with the world. So different countries and with some values. And you can see world map with those values. So it is pretty easy to create that. So let's try with two examples. So we'll start with the largest states in the US by population. And so I downloaded this list from a Wikipedia page. And so let's try and just create a map chart for that. Now, if you have a region, state, country, all of those needs to have its own column. If you combine them, it may not work, right? And so here is, let's just select our table here and then go to insert and go to map and then select map. Okay, and so here is the map chart. It just generated automatically, and again if you hover over each of these state, it actually shows you the value also. Now for some reason, if you have a different color scheme that you would like to apply, you can actually right click on these data series or this map, go to format data series, and if you look at the series color, you can even change the color. So let's say I would like to have maybe green, and then the minimum value is also a shade of green. Okay, and so you can see it looks much better, right? And so this works with the states. Let's try with largest countries in the world. I'm going to delete that. Again, same concept. Put these region or countries in its own column, and then the data column. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to go to insert, go to maps, and then create a map. Okay, and again it just created a nicely formatted map, each one with its own data. And as I said, you can even add these just by simply going to the data series and then and then you can change the color if you have a different preference. Okay, and so this is how you can generate a map chart pretty easily in Microsoft Excel. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click on the like button, and if you like the content of this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.